Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're bringing you a story from Moscow, Russia, where an unexpected snowstorm has transformed the city into a winter wonderland. But behind the picturesque scenes lies a tale of challenges and disruptions.
In Moscow, Russia, an unexpected onslaught of severe snowstorms has gripped the city, creating an icy landscape. Meteorologists are dubbing this event a surprising display of nature's fury. The temperatures plunged, and an unprecedented amount of snow blanketed the city overnight. The power of the snow became evident as the snow clouds released their icy payload, transforming Moscow into a winter wonderland with an awe-inspiring atmosphere. However, this picturesque scene brought about serious issues for the city's infrastructure as the blizzard intensified. The roads became hazardous, covered with a thick layer of snow and ice, making driving treacherous. Public transportation systems experienced significant delays and disruptions, leaving communities stranded under a bitter cloud. Authorities swiftly deployed snowplows and other equipment to tackle the mounting challenges. Despite their efforts, the city faced high alert situations due to standard car incidents and the need for urgent responses. Amidst these challenging conditions, the elderly and vulnerable members of the community were particularly urged to exercise caution and seek shelter from the elements. Residents were advised to stay indoors and brace themselves against the biting winds. If you found this update informative, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Stay safe, and we'll catch you in the next video.